Hi there! Today I want to share with you another making of video on how I create paper collage using collage paper from other artists. So the idea is to create small collages out of material that comes from people around the world to connect with my community and to challenge myself. I think trying something different in your creative process just helps to open out the way you see things. If you love collage making and you want to try out different collage techniques, be sure to check out my upcoming 5-week online workshop Exploring Collage. In this workshop, I will share with you my special process for bringing together found papers, monoprints and letters into unique and meaningful collage art. We will rediscover the joy of play and the value of experimenting. You will come away loaded with new inspiration and ideas. So I hope to see you on the other side. The link to the workshop is here on the screen. Okay, let's get started with this one. So here is another envelope with material. Let's see. Look at all these awesome papers. It's really hard to decide which one to use. Those circles looks really nice. And to bring in a bit more interest, I cut out some parts. I really love the turquoise, but it doesn't work with the green-black piece. The value contrast is not high enough. I really try to find a way to use the turquoise, but I think it's not the best choice. Looks much better without the turquoise. This orange-red piece looks good together with the green, but the pattern is quite a bit too busy. Here I try to make this shape a bit more interesting. and I think about how to balance this piece. The turquoise again. The light background looks much better. Now the green shape really pops and works well as a focal point. Should I leave the white space or should I add another piece? I'm not really sure. The red looks good together with the green and yellow, even if the color value is similar to the green. With those little pieces, I always try to balance my composition. This letter adds a bit of a different shape or different color because it's black. It's black. All the other pieces are textured, and this black one is pure black. So it's a bit different. When working on those collages, I always think about shapes and differences and how these shapes interact with each other. The yellow feels a bit too big. It's too much the same width like the newspaper piece. So I remove some of the yellow. And I think I need a bit more white on the left side. With this marks on tissue paper, I make the white shape a bit more interesting. We don't have this kind of mark yet. So I hope you enjoyed watching me working on that. If you are enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate every one of you and it does help me out a lot. Thanks for watching.